Welcome to this edition of CPWN. I'm Clarence Sponsor. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer large file sizes from one person to another. In most email companies, I should say all email companies, they only allow you to send files up to a certain file size. We'll assume the standard 25 megabytes. The problem is this video is 60.2 meg. Here's another video that's 138 meg. How about 647 meg? That's too much to do it in an email, not even close. Oh, even worse, 973 meg. Almost 1 gig. The solution? WeTransfer. WeTransfer is a service where you can send large file sizes and especially video file sizes from one email, your email, to the recipient's email. You put in those credentials, add the files. The free version you can add up to 2 gig. You can write a customized message, press the transfer button, and you're good to go. The paid version, I believe it's up to 20 gigabytes, 10 times the amount of the free version. And that's the easy way to transfer large file sizes from one recipient to the next. And that's going to conclude this edition of CPWN. Clarence Sponsor saying, have a nice day or evening if it is nighttime. Goodbye.